Hi! This video is about Huinnyeol Culture Village or the Santorini of Korea. So we just ate here. This is ramyun and toast. So, there's a beautiful view of the ocean if you eat here. So, maganda lang yung feeling with the view, like eating ramen with the view. There's a walkway downstairs. Coastline. There are lots of cafeterias here and cafes also. Restaurant, not so much. Nahirapan kami maghanap sa where to eat. But there are some here where you can buy some souvenirs. Cute ng cat. May mga decapitated pa na dolls. So cute. It's like Kuromi. Naghanap ng kuromi. This is so cute. Paintings on their houses and the walls of the houses. Of course, you just keep your voice down because they're real houses and don't open doors without permission. Pwede tayo kumain here, oh. Tapos may view. Pwede kumain, tapos with view. Kaya malakas hangin. Grabe! Ah! Hala! 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 Oh no! Nilipad. Meron dun, no? Parang maganda mag-picture taking. So many cafes here. few restaurants but many cafes. Little bit of the cherry blossoms before they wilt. So if you can see, the view here is very nice. Madilim lang ako, pero di bali pa sa kita. Meron? Wala nakikita? Ano nakikita mo? Rainbow stairs pero napakatirik. Hindi ko natatapusin stairs na dami-daming stairs. And that's a view of the Huinnyeol Culture Village. Hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!